London, a 19-year-old man was detained by police for taking a selfie in front of a major road accident in the UK even as firefighters struggled to rescue the 3 injured persons. The man, who was seen holding his phone aloft as he posed for the picture on a bridge over the North Circular in Barnet, was taken to a North London police station where he remained in custody. The emergency services had to work for more than an hour to rescue one young woman after the North London incident yesterday, Mirror.co.uk reported. The driver of the vehicle was eventually freed from the vehicle by firefighters and taken to hospital with her passengers, aged 15 and 19. The injured were recuperating. Fire engines, ambulances and the air ambulance were all on scene, with the road closed in both directions leading to traffic chaos in the area. A number of passers-by took pictures of the dramatic incident, including one man who appears to be taking a selfie with the rescue effort taking place in the background. Drivers stuck in traffic queues also posted tweets and pictures from the scene as they waited for it to be resolved.